In today's video, we will learn how to set up Google Sheets integrations. Let's get started. Navigate to Settings option and select the Integration tab. Search for Google Sheets integration option and click on Connect. You'll be asked to authenticate the connection between MakeForms and your Google account. Simply follow the instructions and grant the necessary permissions. After the connection is established, your email ID will appear in Configure tab. Now select the form you wish to connect with Google Sheet. Once you're in the form editor, click on Integration tab. In the Integration section, search for Google Sheets integration option and click on Activate Integration. Google Sheets link will appear here. Let's see how it works. Fill in all the details and submit it. MakeForms will automatically send form responses to the connected Google Sheets. Every time someone fills out your form, their responses will be added to the spreadsheet automatically. It's as simple as that. Additionally, you can share the results with others by entering their email ID. This is how you can set up Google Sheets integrations. Stay tuned for more tutorials.